daughter wanted to create some t-shirts for her friend, so we're trying out the Spin Blast Fashion Studio. Thanks for sending it out. We can't wait to show you guys how it works. Everything you need to create something you can wear. All right, we're set up. Paints in multiple colors, some stencils, and you're ready to go. We have our blank t-shirt, so let's set her up. To prep your teeth, make sure you put the blank card inside just in case it bleeds through. And what's great is this is non-toxic fabric paint. So here we go.
Hey everybody, now we're going to spin our paint on our stencil. Now I'm going to do red. I think I'll add a little bit more white and it'll be ready. Wow, I love it. It's all ready. Now I'm just going to figure out where I want to place it. I'll place it like right here. Now you're just going to hold firmly. I think we're good. Wow, it looks so cool.
That's nice.